As some of you know, I've been having a problem with the blower motor on my car, so I decided to swap it out this morning. Just a casual Sunday morning activity. Well, let me show you what I ran into when I was replacing the cabin air filter. I figured, I'm in there digging around, I bought a new cabin air filter, and I figured I'd put that in. Well, this is what I found. Okay, as you can see the top of the air filter there, it's got some leaves and shit on it. I knew there'd be some stuff in there, but I didn't realize I'd see that much. So I stopped taking it out so I could videotape what actually, I'm seeing this for the first time with you. This is what, oh my God. This is what happens when you don't change out a cabin air filter in a car that's got 180 some thousand miles on it. Good God, look at this shit. No wonder my motor went out. I'm seeing this for the first time with you folks. Look at that. Oh my God. I'm surprised the old one worked at all. All right, well, I'm putting the new one in, so hopefully that'll take care of it. Just thought you'd get a kick out of seeing that, because I did. Okay, like I said, I'm seeing this for the first time with you folks. So there's a lesson for you. Those things are not that hard to take in and out. So look up how to do it on your car and change that cabin air filter. And don't let yours look like that.